What's up guys? In today's video I will introduce you to my automatic watch winder. So the outside is made up of carbon fiber, and I got a little window right here to show your collection of your watch. So this box has 4 slots for automatic watch winder, and 6 slots to store your watch down here. And this is to put your watch in, and you slide in here like this, like that. So in the back you got 2 switch right here for 2 sides individually, and a power plug. So this power adapter I got individually. This one I can adjust the voltage from 3 volt to 12 volt. So the higher the voltage, the faster the automatic watch will spin. So I have mine at around 4.5 volt. So it's plugged in, and I'm gonna turn it on. See both sides, both switch, we'll turn it on. So when you turn it on, the automatic winder will turn this way, and after 2 minutes it will stop for 5 minutes, and it will turn back the other way for 2 minutes and stop for 5 minutes. So it's keep going like that. So now I'm gonna adjust the voltage to higher, see how fast it will spin. So I have adjusted to 7 volt, it'll spin a little faster. So the max this thing can take is 9 volt, and that's how fast it spin at 9 volt. So the max voltage this thing can take is 9 volt. I switched to 12 volt, it doesn't work. So now I'm gonna have it at 4.5, and I'm gonna do a time lapse on it. See which direction it will spin every 2 minutes, and it will stop every 5 minutes. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.